Hello, so today we're going to look at this theme of los países y las nacionalidades. So you can see here los países. You can guess from the flags here, los países, the countries. Las nacionalidades, you can guess what that means, nationalities. Los países is the plural, countries. El país is country. So let's have a look at some of the names for the countries first of all, and then talk about the nationalities. So first of all we have Irlanda. And let's look at some nationalities. So this is Connor. Connor es irlandés. Now if you remember when we talk about nationalities, let's have a look at the example and we can explain it then. So this is Kira. Kira es irlandesa. So nationality is an adjective. And all adjectives in Spanish most adjectives in Spanish have to change in terms of masculine or feminine. So if we're talking about a man, we use irlandés, the masculine form. Talking about a woman, we use irlandesa. Irlandés, irlandesa. You'll see that that's often the way adjectives change. If they are feminine, they take an A. And it loses the accent as well. So let's look at some more examples. We're going to look at three things again. So the country, Irlanda. Es irlandés for the masculine nationality. Es irlandesa for the feminine nationality. España. España es el país. It's the country. So Juan es español. Juan es español. Marta es española. How does it change between masculine and feminine? Español, española. And España is the name of the country, so try not to get these mixed up. Inglaterra, so this is the English flag. We'll do England rather than Britain. So let's look at England as Inglaterra. It's Inglaterra. Mark. Nationality. Mark es inglés. Mark es inglés. Carol es inglesa. Carol es inglesa. Again, this is like irlandés, irlandesa. Inglés, inglesa. Francia. Francia es el país. So let's look at the nationality. Start with the feminine this time. Brigitte es francesa. Another thing to note in English, if we're talking about a nationality or a language, we always have a capital. In Spanish, you do not have a capital. You don't use a capital for the nationality. Brigitte es francesa. Pierre es francés. Francés. So again, it's like irlandés, irlandesa, inglés, inglesa, francés, francesa. This country, Los Estados Unidos. Los Estados Unidos. Again, literally the States United. Spanish is opposite in terms of word order sometimes to English. So here we don't use americano, although that does exist. It's more accurate and precise to say Brad es norteamericano. Norteamericano, because americano refers to North and South America in Spanish, because of course there's so much contact between Spain and South America. Americano can actually also refer to South America. Silvia es norteamericana. Norteamericano, norteamericana. Again, the O and the A for masculine and feminine. Alemania es el país. Alemania. Jürgen es alemán. Steffi es alemana. Alemán, alemana. So what we're doing here all the time is we are using the verb ser. Ser is just the verb to be, or one of the verbs to be in Spanish. That's the topic of another lesson. So to conjugate this verb, to break it down into its different parts, different persons. If yo soy, as I am, remember we usually leave out the yo. Tú eres, again we leave out the tú and just use the eres. Él es, ella es. Again, we often leave out the pronouns. We leave out the yo, the tú, the él, and the ella, and just use the verb. So let's do some practice. First of all, the common question is, ¿de dónde eres? So eres, we can see here with ser, belongs to tú. It's the tú form. In other words, you. So what does it mean? ¿Qué significa? ¿De dónde eres? From, where are you? So where are you from, literally? So we can have two answers to this question if you're Irish. Soy de Irlanda. Just like in English, we can say I am from Ireland. The de is from. Or you can say soy irlandés or soy irlandesa. Soy irlandés for a man. Soy irlandesa for a woman. So I am Irish. So again, soy de Irlanda or soy irlandés, soy irlandesa. We have two options. So we also have the question de dónde es. De dónde es is where is he or she from. The es refers to both he and she. Let's see if you can remember. Kira. So it's an easy one. You know, Kira is an Irish name, so Kira. So she is Irish. Como se dice? Es. Let's finish it. Kira is irlandesa. Es irlandesa. Again, don't forget the A for a woman. Remember, you can also say Kira es de Irlanda. Capital for the country, no capital for the nationality. Mark. Let's say Mark was born in London. So Mark es Mark es inglés. Mark es inglés. Marta. Marta, from the name you can guess. Say Marta was born in Madrid. Marta, again, es española. Remember, we can also say Marta es de. So what's the country? España, exactly. So we have Pierre. Again, from the name you can guess where Pierre is from, even if you can't remember. So Pierre is, ¿cómo se dice is? Pierre es francés. Or Pierre es de Francia. Es francés, es de Francia. Brigitte. So Brigitte, again from the name, imagine Brigitte Bardot. Brigitte es. So francés is the masculine. What's the feminine? Francesa. We need the a. Exacto. Or we can also say Brigitte es de Francia. Need to know the names of the countries and the nationalities. Brad. Imagine Brad was born in California. So let's start with his nationality. Brad es begins with an N. Norteamericano. Oh, what else can we say? Brad es de. So what's the country? Los Estados Unidos. Los Estados Unidos. You got nationality and country. So one or two more just to practice. Steffi. Steffi was born in Berlin. So what can we say? Steffi es alemana. Remember the A is for the feminine. Or es de Alemania. Slight difference between these two. Alemana, Alemania. Not quite the same. And Connor. Start with his nationality. Connor es Irlandés. Or Connor es de, and use the name of the country. Irlanda. Okay, so just to practice again. ¿De dónde eres? What's the answer? So we don't use es this time because eres is talking about you. So you would say I am. ¿Cómo se dice? Soy. So you can say soy de, if you're Irish, you can soy de Irlanda, or soy and then just use the nationality without de. Irlandés or Irlandesa. That's our video for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, go back and check it again. Do the activity again. Repetition is good. Thanks for watching today.